Welcome to this sunny day for a Design Robotics update. We're moving into basic coding and robotics and combining the two of them, and we're using these Sphero bolts. They are an amazing machine that we put together, and we do basic code, block code to start. You can go deeper with line code, and doing it's all shaped around distance over time. We have grids, and we're putting some targets down on the floor, and students do the measurement, and they can go distance over time or distance over speed to figure out the missing variable. And then they work their way through the course doing the math through the design process first, and then test it, and then complete their results, summarize their results so it's repeatable. Pretty cool stuff. They are doing a fabulous job. Take a look.
So basically, we have our Sphero, and it's 70 centimeters per second, and we made it for like 4 seconds, and we kind of did that throughout the whole thing. So yeah.
So our speed is 60
centimeters per second.
60 centimeters per second, and we're going 4.9 seconds to the other checkpoint to extra one, and then we're going to stop for 2 seconds, and then we're going to go 180 back, 60 speed at 4.9, and then we have a secret surprise at the end that you guys are going to like. Okay.
So we're just doing x to 1 to x, so our programming is 50 speed for 6.25 seconds.
50 what?
Centimeters per second.
You're welcome.
And then it's delayed for 2 seconds, and then it rotates 180 degrees, and then it's 50 centimeters per second for 6.25 seconds.
Oh, so we made it roll at 50 centimeters per second for 5.5 seconds, 5.25 seconds. And then we made it stop for 2 seconds. And then we made it turn 180 degrees, and we made it roll 50 centimeters per second again for 5.38 seconds. And then we made it strobe at the end because it's a dance party.
What do I say? No, not really. But he basically said it all.
So for the test number 1, our speed is at 50. I don't know. Centimeters per
50 centimeters per second.
for 5.75 seconds. And then it stops for 2 seconds. 200 centimeters?
Yeah, it's 200 centimeters.
Okay, yeah. And then it turns around 180, and then does 50 centimeters per second again for 6 seconds.
At 50 centimeters per second for 5.5 seconds to there, and then the delay for 2 seconds, and then going at 180, and do it like 180, and then go at 50 speed for 5.5 seconds.
What it is our Sphero goes 50 centimeters per second for 5.5 seconds,
And then it stops for 2 seconds, and then it turns a 180 degree turn, and then it goes back for 50 centimeters per second for 5.5 seconds. And it goes, it's just a 50 centimeter, yeah, it's just a 50 centimeter.
50 centimeters per second
It's 50 centimeters per second, and we're going it for 5.9 seconds.
to cover 200
Centimeters. And it's gonna work.
We're going at 50 centimeters per second for how long?
For 5.8.
5.8 seconds there and back, and then yeah, that's all for this one.
And then we have
And we're stopping at 2 seconds. Yeah.
Yep, that's solid right there. Oh yeah.
Come on, you got this.
Sit.
Yeah, let's go. Solid.
You're right. 1, 2.
Did it work?
Yes.
No.
Yeah. No. Oh my god, it's not gonna work. Did you aim it perfect? Yes. Oh, check. just steps on it.
That would be so funny. I should have done that.
Turn. That's top for 2 seconds. Oops. Did it. You did it.
So we are trying to do our test from X to 1 to 1 to 2 and then back all the way to X, and we can't get it to go as far as we want it, so we keep adding like 0.2 seconds to get it to go faster. So we're just gonna keep doing that until we can get it as far to the paper.
Okay.
I mean, we're going at a speed for like a constant speed of 42 centimeters per second every time.
And they're also changing to 90 for long distances.
90? What? No! He said only one thing. See? It's all 42.
Oh yeah. Never mind. We're doing 42. And then we just change our seconds based on how long the course is.
Yeah. Why don't you do that? Okay. Okay. So our Sphero, well, we're doing, all the requirements. It's like, what about it? It's just we're programming.
What are your centimeters per second? How many seconds?
Oh, okay. So first we're doing 35. The speed is 35, and we're doing it for 8 seconds for moving it down there. And then 1 to 2, we're doing at 30 for 16 seconds, and then we're rolling it back for a little bit longer. I mean, a little bit shorter, and then we're making it come back for longer.
Oh, that's yours.
Okay, so we're on the last challenge, and we're doing a lot of it's at 67 or 68 speed, and some distances are 4.3 seconds and some are 7 seconds, and then delays for 3 seconds.
Details of it.
So we have our Sphero going 40 centimeters per second, and on the way there, like the first way, I guess, it's going for 6.9 seconds, and then it turns and goes at 40 centimeters per second for 11.25 seconds, and does the same thing on the way back.
Good, that was good.
Happy Thursday.